Welcome to MCQ Capsule YouTube channel, your daily dose of current affairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin with the questions. Who among the following was not a Mauryan ruler? Pushyamitra. The Kailas temple at Ellora is an example of which of the following types of architecture? Rocket architecture. The Santhal revolt of 1855 to 56 was against which groups along with the British officials? Zamindars and moneylenders. During which period of Indian history were the stupas of Sanchi and Sarnath built, reflecting its architectural style? Mauryan rule. Who among the following was the renowned poet saint of the Bhakti movement known for composing dohas, couplets? Kabir. Who among the following Delhi sultans controlled the prices of food, horses, ponies, cattle and slaves, cloth and fruit, and articles for domestic consumption and personal use? Alauddin Khalji. Which of the following could be regarded as the only positive outcome of the British reforms in India? Social reform laws. The introduction of English education in India was promoted through which of the following documents? Macaulay's Minute. In which of the following Indian cities was the Pratna Samaj, which believed in the spiritual equality of all castes, founded in the 19th century? Bombay. Which of the following British officials found India as an uncivilized country and had to be civilized, following which the English Education Act of 1835 was introduced? Thomas Macaulay. Who among the following was proclaimed as the leader of the revolt by the rebels during the First War of Independence 1857 against British oppression? Bahadur Shah Zafar. Which of the following events led to the division of the Indian National Congress into moderates and extremists in 1907? Surat Session. Who among the following laid the foundation stone of Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Akademi, commonly called IGRUA, in 1985? Rajiv Gandhi. The tripartite struggle was a prolonged conflict among the Gurjara Pratiharas, Palas, and which southern Indian dynasty? Rashtrakutas. Which of the following is an example of social legislation introduced by the British during the colonial period in India? The Widow Remarriage Act. In Brahmdeya villages under the Pallavas, which caste predominantly managed the local Sabha assemblies? Brahmins. Which of the following is a common feature of Dravidian temples? Gopuram. Who was the first Portuguese governor in India sent in 1505 to establish naval supremacy? De Almeida. Which of the following freedom fighters led the Rump Rebellion of 1922 against forest laws? Alluri Sitaram Raju. Hul Divas is celebrated on 30th June every year in India to commemorate the Santhal Hul Rebellion of 1855. Alauddin Khilji introduced the Dag and Hulia systems to control the army. What was Hulia associated with? Soldier's description. Which among the following South Indian kingdoms is known for the conquest that crossed the river Ganga in the north? Chola. Which Rajput ruler founded the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty in Malwa during the 8th century CE? Nagbhatta. Which of the following texts is considered the earliest Tamil grammar work? Tolkappiyam. Andhra Pradesh was formed in 1953 by separating Telugu-speaking areas from which of the following states? Madras. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something, and we'll meet soon in the next video.